get charged up. Oh, you know what?
Didn't go all the way up.
I do this all the time.
You're not alone.
Okay.
These are like 4-foot cables.
Take 2. All right. Oh, there we go. Opens like magic.
I wonder the lights in the hotel go dim when everyone plugs in. Yeah.
That's funny.
I've been here quite a few times. I've never seen it full
That's
before.
probably why they want all their own solar.
Maybe, yeah, right. Run off the grid. Right?
Yeah. All right, guys, who's faster, Model X or the train? Here's the deal, we're limited by the cars in front of us.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I think we'd smoke them. It almost makes you want to just floor it. Safety first. The silver is just so easy because it hides dirt so well, and it always looks clean. And when we go on all these road trips and things like that, it's not your food. This is what happens when you have 2 kids. It's just like nonstop. Talking.
Yeah. I think we're not gonna do that.
You guys are smarter than we are. Ton of Maseratis. Everybody has nice cars in LA. These ones are wrapped.
Yeah.
Just a little different kind of wrap than we're thinking of. Well, we liked that it was self-driving, but it didn't have ludicrous mode. Was it fun? Well, he said that it was too slow. And then it was self-driving, and he wasn't a big fan of that either. Not quite like your little mini Tesla, huh? We rode on little rocks because we saw other people had done that, and Liam just told me he wanted to put it somewhere Michael Jackson would see it.
He hasn't got the
I don't
memo.
think he gets it.
I always feel like somebody's watching me. I'm big, you know it.
Oh, there's a car coming out the gate, you guys.
Oh, there's a car coming.
Uh-oh. Well, security's coming, so I think it's time we skedaddle.
Anytime like Tesla shows up, security seems to come.
I could show security the Tesla, and then they'd probably let us in.
That's exactly what I told Mommy.
So there you go. Full stroller.
That's awesome.
It's a benefit of an old Model S.
I know,
Yeah.
you can't beat that.
And you have all the extra room too. You guys always ask us how we make our YouTube videos. Well, this is pretty much our setup right here at all times. This blue S right here is waiting in line to charge. I've never seen this before, other than on Facebook posts.
Yeah. It happens here in California.
Yeah, like on the S and X, you have there's a talk button.
Yeah.
But on the 3, it's not. It's just the scroll wheel.
Yeah.
So I keep doing that in my S, and it like opens the the sunroof.
Yeah.
I'm like, ah.
It's funny how you get so used to the way your car works and you go to like another car and you're like,
Yeah.
Those are 2 black shirts right there. Alright, can I have you 2 trade sides now? Wow. Not quite half an inch, more like quite a few inches. Congratulations. I'm sorry to tell you your height loss is permanent. Yeah.
How about you, Mom?
I'm good, thank you. I apologize if my audio is really bad. They actually took away our microphone, so we're allowed to film, but we have to have crappy audio.
Behind the scenes.
Gotta get the picture for Instagram and Facebook.
You want that in your bedroom?
I don't know about the bedroom, but I think it would be really cool in the kids' playroom.
Yeah.
This is one of the cutest Starbucks I've ever seen. It's like retro. I feel like they need to come on roller skates and hand you your lattes. Let's play the game. If calories didn't count, what would I order? And I think it would be this right here.
I don't do baby.
Uh-oh. Here comes Kim. 5 minutes to herself and she's found something.
It's sort of car related though. Check it out. It has to do with the Model X. It really does because...
Winging it! That's awesome.
I had to. We're at the Hawthorne Supercharger here at SpaceX. We just had a meetup with a bunch of people and there are